Hi, I'm Tracy Sweeney, owner of Alon Studio, and I'm thrilled to share with you this breakout, Littles in Light. I'll take you on a journey exploring how I document children in all their natural brilliance in outdoor settings to create dreamy images. Included in this breakout is an artistically designed 46-page ebook, behind-the-scenes video of me photographing on location in intense light, editing videos and post-processing tips and techniques to create magical, light-filled images, and all the information you need to discover how to effortlessly evoke honest emotion from children. I've also included a bonus video of me editing a challenging light image from Lightroom to Photoshop. Join me to create images of little ones that really shine.